So we've been using the Icom handheld radios on a number of our expeditions. We used it particularly up the Canning Stock route and obviously our last trip across Tasmania. It's been an invaluable bit of equipment to our expeditions, in the sense that having a small, easy to use handheld radio is one of the key bits of equipment that you need when you're going out in the bush, particularly when you're navigating across difficult obstacles. We found this when we were trying to get out of the Gibson Desert, and in particular it was really handy having someone on a handheld radio that was up at the top of the dune. They were able to look out to see if traffic was coming either way, and they were also able to let us know if there was anything falling off the vehicle or anything along those lines. So it's really good to have that added bit of information. The other key thing is, by someone being outside of the vehicle and spotting for you, you need to know where they are, and you want to make sure that they're in an area that is safe. So having a handheld radio is a really, really important bit of equipment. One of the reasons that we went for the Icom handheld radio is ease of use. It is really, really easy to use, and it is really, really durable. The other feature that the Icom handheld radio has over its other radios out there on the market is you're actually able to program in your own channels. And this might seem not like a great feature, but if you're looking at doing more of a commercial event, off-road rallying, whatever it may be, it is handy having that option. The battery in the unit itself was able to withstand temperatures over 45 degrees. It sat inside the cab of the Land Rover and had no problem at all. We've just gone across Tasmania and it's been in the complete opposite. We've had temperatures that have gone down as far as -5. It's been in wet conditions, it's been in snow, and it hasn't failed at all. It is really a very, very durable bit of kit.